Hey team, welcome back. Today we are reading passage R, The Boys. The waves crashed against the small sailing boat as the boys held tightly to the mainsail. The weather forecast hadn't said anything about storms. In fact, it was supposed to be sunny and calm. That did not help the three boys who struggled to hold their craft against the wind, rain, and tide. They hadn't expected to be out for so long, and the distant silhouettes waving from the shore told them it was time to get back. The only problem was turning around without tipping over. They had to try. Questions. Who was holding the mainsail? Give 3 reasons the boys were having problems. Describe the weather. What is meant by the word told as it is used in the text? Who was waving at them from the shore? Had the boys been out longer than usual? Now let's check the answers. Who was holding the mainsail? Well, the 3 boys were holding the mainsail. We see that in sentence 1, where the waves crashed against the small sailing boat as the boys tightly held the mainsail. Give 3 reasons the boys were having problems. Well, there's the wind, there's the rain, and there's the tide. We could also say the weather. Describe the weather. The best word here is stormy. What is meant by the word told as it is used in the text? Well, we could say indicated, suggested, signaled, or communicated. All would be good synonyms. Who do you think was waving at them from the shore? Well, their distant silhouettes are probably adults, or you could say their parents, because they are boys. Had the boys been out longer than usual? Yes. The text says they had not expected to be out for so long. Thank you for your time. How did you go?